Let's take a quick look at how two or more people can collaborate on the same Google Slides presentation without having to use any sort of screen sharing software such as GoToMeeting or JoinMe. And of course, the prerequisite is that the person who originates the slides presentation shares it out with one or more people. So in this case, I've shared it out with John Abbott. And if you look just below John's picture, you'll see a colored bar. And if there are multiple collaborators, there'll be multiple colors. And over here on the left, even though I'm on slide 3, I can see a small colored bar in the bottom left of slide 4. And if, in fact, if I get my cursor close to the slide, John's picture will pop up to confirm that that's the slide he's on. So all I have to do is click on that slide, and we can now collaborate on this slide. If he moves to another slide, I can also see that. So I'm going to pop off screen and pretend I'm John for a second. And you'll see John has just clicked on slide 3 because the colored bar is now in the bottom left of slide 3. And then when he clicks on slide 2, you'll see the colored bar is moved. So back in this presentation, I'll hover over and click on the same slide. Now, let's say that John wants to make some edits to the slide as we're discussing it. So if he, for example, clicks on the shape and decides it should be moved, I'll see in real time that any changes he makes, like moving a shape or changing the shape, will appear on my screen. And similarly, if he clicks into a text box, I'll see a cursor with his name pop up. And as he makes edits, such as typing in a new word, I'll put in the word new. I'll see that that edit is made instantly, and I'll see that he made it. If he changes focus within the same slide by, say, clicking on the background, I'll see that as well. So that's how easy it is for two or more people to collaborate on a Google Slides presentation without resorting to any sort of screen sharing software.